In today's video, I'll answer all of the questions you may have about growing your brine shrimp community. What do brine shrimp eat? The best food for brine shrimps is spirulina. Spirulina is considered a superfood due to the high nutritional value per gram. It is packed with vitamins and minerals and is much better than yeast or any other option. Where do brine shrimp live? Brine shrimp can be found around the world in oceans and salt marshes. They are found in the natural salt lakes of Utah, California, and New Mexico, as well as the oceans. They are one of the few multi-cellular organisms that have flourished in the Great Salt Lake. How long do brine shrimp live? Brine shrimp live around 6 months. How long does it take brine shrimp to hatch? Once placed in salty water, brine shrimp are expected to hatch within 2 to 3 days. Can brine shrimp live in fresh water? No, brine shrimp need salty water. What is the water salinity level for brine shrimp? The salinity level for brine shrimp is based on the following formula. For every liter of bottled water, 1 tablespoon and 2/3 of salt should be added. What is the recommended acidity level for brine shrimp? The optimal pH of the water is about 7.5 to 8. What is the best temperature for brine shrimps? The temperature of the water should be about room temperature, range between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius and 68 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Do brine shrimp need light? Watch them swim towards the light every time you hold a flashlight close to the villa. But remember to avoid direct sunlight to avoid high water temperature and evaporation. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss an update. Thanks for watching.